Before your first birthday, before you could walk, talk, or chew properly, your brain already decided how you'd handle love for the rest of your life. 4 wiring patterns. Every human gets one, and by the end, you'll know which one you got and which one your baby is building right now. The lottery winners? Baby cries, someone shows up. Baby cries again, someone shows up again. Revolutionary stuff, I know. But that boring repetition writes one line of code into the brain. When I need people, they come. Secure babies grow into adults who text back, say what they feel, don't panic when someone needs space. About half of us got this wiring. The other half? Buckle up. The clingy wiring, the one that panics when you walk away. This forms when comfort shows up. Sometimes. Monday, mom's all in. Tuesday, she's overwhelmed and distant. The baby's brain can't find the pattern, so it turns the volume all the way up. Cry louder, cling harder, never stop monitoring. That baby becomes the adult who reads a text 7 times before sending, who feels a mood shift from across the room. Love feels amazing and terrifying. Same brain, same reason. Style 3. Avoidant. The I'm fine champions. This forms when reaching out gets nothing. Not cruelty, just distance. Crying doesn't bring comfort, so the brain runs the math. Needing people doesn't work. Cancel the program. Plot twist. Avoidant babies look calm during separation, but their heart rate is screaming. The panic went underground. That's the adult who ends things the moment it gets real. I'm fine. Heart rate says otherwise. Style 4. Disorganized. The rarest and the heaviest. This forms when the person a baby runs to is also the person they're scared of. The brain gets 2 commands at once, approach and escape. Imagine a GPS saying turn left and right. That conflict follows them into adult love, craving closeness, then bolting from it. Here's the good news. Wiring isn't destiny. Brains rewrite. Secure love at any age rewires old patterns. Scientists call it earned secure. And if you want the exact moments in year 1 where this wiring gets installed, that video's next.